Personal Taxes Oakville, How to Save Personal Taxes in Canada.
Hi, my name's Allan Madan. I'm a chartered accountant and tax expert in the Oakville region of Ontario, Canada. The topic of today's video is how to save personal taxes in Canada. Make sure you watch this video because you'll save a ton in taxes by doing so. The first way to save personal taxes in Canada is through the use of tax-efficient investments. What do I mean by purchasing tax-efficient investments? As investors today, we have a lot of choices on the types of investments that we can purchase. We have mutual funds, segregated funds, RRSPs, stocks, TSFAs, and the list goes on and on. My concern as a tax expert is for my clients to purchase investments that result in a low rate of tax so that they can increase their after-tax rate of return. From a financial perspective, the investment must be sound. If it isn't, the tax doesn't make a difference at all. So, the most tax-efficient investment are those investments that offer return of capital. Return of capital can be taken back completely tax-free. Now, what could be better than that? The second most attractive investment from a tax perspective are those investments that yield dividends. Dividends are taxed at a rate of 25%, eligible dividends that is. And if you are earning less than $120,000 per annum, it's very likely that the rate of tax that you will pay on dividends will be much less than 25%. The worst type of investment that you can buy from a tax perspective are interest-bearing investments. If you are in the highest tax bracket paying 46.4%, you'll also pay 46.4% on the interest earned on your investment. The type of investments that you purchase from a tax perspective can have a great impact on the size of your retirement portfolio. So it's important that you consult with a chartered accountant such as myself to review your retirement investment portfolio to make sure that it's working tax efficiently for you. The second way to save personal taxes in Canada is by deducting employment expenses on your personal tax return. Deductible employment expenses include tools and supplies, travel, car expenses, cell phone airtime, salary paid to an assistant. I have clients for whom I prepare personal tax returns, and it's unfortunate, but I see that they were given the wrong advice previously in that they did not deduct any employment-related expenses, causing them to pay a lot more in taxes than they should have. If that's you, please consult a chartered accountant to make sure you're paying the least amount in tax and deducting as many employment expenses as you can. The third way to save personal taxes in Canada is to contribute to an RRSP. This has two advantages. The first advantage is that contributions to an RRSP are tax deductible, so you'll likely receive a tax refund by contributing to your RRSP. The second major advantage of an RRSP is that any income or gains realized inside an RRSP are completely tax-free. So, you should check your Notice of Assessment to see what your RRSP limit is for the current year, which represents the maximum amount you can contribute, and contribute that amount. You'll be pleasantly surprised. The fourth way to save taxes in Canada is by purchasing TSFAs, tax-free savings account. I recommend purchasing TSFAs for short-term savings. The maximum amount that you can contribute to a TSFA is $5,000. The two big advantages of TSFAs are any income or gains realized inside a TSFA are completely tax-free. And the great thing about TSFAs over RRSPs is that any withdrawals are tax-free. So let's say that you put aside $5,000 for a family vacation, and that $5,000 increased to $8,000. You could withdraw $8,000 without paying any tax whatsoever, and you'll have a wonderful family vacation. If you found this video useful, I encourage you to visit my website for additional tax tips. http://madanca.com, which is shown at the bottom of the screen. Also, please visit my website to access your free report, 20 Tax Secrets on How to Beat the Taxman. So go ahead, visit my website, get your free report, and save yourself a ton in taxes. Thanks for watching.